I always had trouble considering myself part of the Klezmer revival because I felt like the Klezmer revival meant not just playing the music, but working so hard to preserve the music because if you didn't, it wouldn't be around. And by the time I got to the scene, it was established, or it felt to me like it was established. And so that was in the mid-90s. And now, 15 or so years later, it really doesn't seem like it doesn't feel like a revival, like it's in revival anymore. I feel like I was fortunate enough to come to it in a time when I had the freedom to not have to work that hard to do it. You know, because working that hard to do it, while extremely rewarding, also mean it could be limiting in some ways. I don't know what those ways are. I wasn't part of it, but I feel like it could be limiting in ways, you know, where you need to constantly be working to sell yourself in certain ways in order to just be able to play the music. So was there a revival? Yes. Does it exist now? I imagine a lot of people have different arguments about that. I sort of feel like it does not because I'm not part of it. Thus, who is? You know, thus is it still happening? Or have we moved past it? Or is it just in a phase of it that doesn't take the, you know, that kind of work? I'm not sure. But it certainly existed. It's the reason why it's here now. So